is obstructing this information dissemination.
Okay. Yes. Subhash,
before he comes.
We'll give him full chance to react. Full chance to react.
Two points I would like to make. One is this government advertised information commissioners 3 times. 3 times they have cancelled.
Correct.
I feel that there is complete method in this madness. It's total madness. 3 times you cannot.
So it's a method.
It's a method. Okay. It's a method in madness. And now when he responds to this, please respond without holding the last government responsible for this corruption.
Okay.
On your own.
बरे सुभाष बाब म्हाका एक 2 मुद्द्यांचेर जाय तुमचे. 1 0 टॉलरन्स टू करप्शन जे सामको तुमी ब्रेव घोषणा केल्ली दॅट इज बॅकफायर्ड एक कळटा हातूंतल्यान. दुसरी गजाल खंय तरी पीपल आर डिसअपॉइंटेड की तुमच्या एकूण सरकारा कडच्यान एक अपेक्षा आशिल्ली की करप्शन कमी तरी जातलें. इवन दी एवरेज आनी हे जर धरले जाल्यार 84% जाता फिगर. सो लोकांची अपेक्षा भंग ना. व्हेन करप्शन एवरेज I would say negative. On corruption average is negative. On corruption you are saying average is positive. Subhash Babu. सांगा now full chance.
पहिले जाताल तशें जाता एवरेज.
बरं तुम्ही फुल चान्स सांगात.
ओके आय वूड से आता तुम्ही ताणी एक रायटली पॉइंट काडिल्लो आसा. लास्ट गव्हर्मेंटा भितर तुमकां एकय चेहरो असो दिसना आशिल्लो की तो करप्ट फ्री ताजेर स्कॅन्डल स्कॅम्साचे आरोप नाशिल्ले. ह्या सरकारा भितर एकय फेस तुमकां असो दिसना जाजेर स्कॅमाचे स्कॅन्डलाचे हे आसात. मोठे महाघोटाळे अशे कधी झाले ना. बट लेट मी आन्सर. जेन्ना लोकायुक्त एडवर्टायज करता, लोकायुक्त आपले पोझिशन घेवपाक पळयता तेन्ना काँग्रेसीवाल्यांक खुबशा लोकांक भंय आशिल्लो. त्या खातीर हे सगळे हिंड्रन्सीस ते हाडपाचे प्रयत्न करतात. एवरी स्टॅप इज बीन ब्लॉक्ड बाय दीस पीपल. म्हाका एक सांगात, एक निवृत्त न्यायाधीश येता जाचे आयुश्या भितर खंयच डाग ना, ताका तुमकां काळे बावटे दाखोवन दुसरे फावटी कोणाक येवपी ताका हाडयतात. आणि दोतोरान तुम्ही सांगले तशें 3 फावटी हाडले. इट इज नॉट अ प्लॅन्ड ऑर बाकी हे काय ना. ताका रिजन समबडी हॅज गॉन इन द कोर्ट ऑर समबडी आस्क क्वेश्चन about publishing this advertisement कसो आसपाक जाय, कितें आसपाक जाय. People have raised queries and in response to that when government realized that it has to be accepted by the people or the professionals जावं बाकीचे कोण आसात.
2.5 years for this?
No,
every time it has been advertised.
What sort of argument is this? 3 times you cannot advertise properly.
No, 3 times when it is advertised.
They throw out Lokpal in Gujarat. They hardened the stand all the rest of the country.
परत येता म्हणून सुभाष बाबाच्या तोंडांतल्यान आमचो लोकायुक्त एक्ट आहा पळय तातूंत क्लियर सांगिल्लें आसा लोकायुक्त आफ्टर टेकिंग ओवर कॅन रिकमेंड सर्टेन अमेंडमेंट्स इफ ही फाइंड फॉर द हेल्थ ऑफ दॅट एक्ट. आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टरान लोकायुक्त अपॉइंट करचे पयलीं हावसांक उबे रावन सांगलें की आमचो अपॉइंट जावपाचो आहा पळय ताणें काही रिकमेंडेशन आपल्याक केल्या म्हणून हो आमी अमेंड करता. नॅचरली लोकांक डावट आयलो जो मनीस अपॉइंट जावपाचो आहा तो पयलींच जर अशे तरेन एंटी पीपल फायन दिवपाचे हे जर अमेंडमेंट करता जाल्यार ताका जाप विचारप ना.
आय विल करेक्ट यू सर. आय विल करेक्ट यू. जेन्ना लोकायुक्त अपॉइंटमेंट जाल्लो, he has not taken the position and it was the draft was sent to it. He had suggested some recommendation. It was not before appointment. It was not before appointment. It is not. You are mistaken. Swearing in झाले ना. But the appointment was done. The order was done because he has not positioned on his.
When he functions, when he finds.
No, he has gone through the draft.
म्हाका एक गजाल सांगात. हांव क्लियर स्टॅटिस्टिक्स सांगता. Professionals 70% say that it is poor control on corruption. Media and activists 60%. Teacher and unorganized sector 50%. Senior citizens 40%. तुम्ही एक गजाल मान्य करता की that disillusionment is across. तुम मान्य करता. You need to do something.
हांव मान्य करता की करप्शनाच्या वेळार जे सरकारा कडच्यान जावपाक जाय आशिल्ले तितके I do accept it. It is not that
one time when it came to
wasn't so much during Congress.
One time when it came to law and order, you took the help of professionals being happy with law and order. Today professionals are unhappy with
I accept it. I accept it.
Because they are dissatisfied.
It has to be looked into in a serious manner.
फडणवीस बाबान सांगचे की तुवें म्हणा की करप्शन हे आदले गव्हर्नमेंट करताले. ओपन करप्शन तुम्ही आजपर्यंत किती ऍक्शन घेतली? या 2.5 वर्षांत तुम्ही काँग्रेसच्या लोकांचेर किती ऍक्शन घेतली?
हांव मायनिंगाचे काँग्रेस धरणां धरतात देशपांडेचेर ऍक्शन घेतले जर जाय जाल्यार काँग्रेस बॉम्ब मारता की
आमच्याकडे तितली स्ट्रेंथ ना. परंतु
दुसरी हांव म्हणटा की
तुमचे
मायनिंगाच्या
BJP चे
ऑफिसराक
लोक
जर सस्पेंड
भितर
केलं
इतले involved
जर
आसात.
पर्सनल कारणा लागून
हे
जीव
बी-
दिता
हे
मागीर
बी-
परत काँग्रेस बॉम्ब मारता की परत ह्या
हे
anti-system
बीजेपीचे लोक
विरोधात
भितर
ओके,
इतले
ओके.
involved. हांव
हय,
अशें
हय,
म्हणटा
हय,
हांव
हय,
अशें
हय.
म्हणटा
हय.
हांव अशें म्हणटा
हय.
की बीजेपीचे लोक ह्या सगळ्या मायनिंग सगळ्या ईडीसी आयडीसी
हा,
ह्या
सगळे तेच
corruption-
घुसपल्यात.
Why don't you
इतके-
raise these issues? You have
इतले-
9
इतले
MLAs.
बुडलेले आसात की
You
ते
have
जर
9
काँग्रेसचे
MLAs.
जर
You have
आज
opposition
action जर
leader
घेवंक
with
गेले
you.
जाल्यार they will be
Why should we
exposed.
come
Okay.
on this debate?
ओके
They definitely will be exposed.
ओके ओके वाळेभाऊ सांगात
इन्फॉर्मेशन
काँग्रेसीक दोष दिवू नाका
इन्फॉर्मेशन कमिशनरच्या बाबतीत 2 ना 3 ना 4दा ॲडव्हर्टायज दिवची पडटा. दीस इट सेल्फ इज अ फेल्युअर ऑफ द ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. म्हणजे तुम्ही कसलोच विचार करिनात आणि ॲडव्हर्टायजी दितात आणि ताच्या उपरांत मागीर कॅन्सल करतात. सगळी नावां पब्लीश जातात.
That is bad administration.
एक्झॅक्टली
Okay. मग राधा बाबा एक गजाल सांगात.
दिस गिव्स अ व्हेरी बॅड पिक्चर.
ओके दादा मागे एक गजाल
No,
सांगात.
one more
No,
bad,
clearly.
one more bad picture.
Yeah.
They amended the Lokayukta Act to bring a Supreme Court judge or a retired Chief Justice. Today, Chief Justice are not available.
Correct.
Supreme Court judge is not available. So was this not thought about?
It was a planned
No,
matter.
it is not.
You are again finding a method in
Yes.
it. You are again finding a
Yes.
method. Okay.
No,
मग राधा बाबा एक गजाल
एकूच add
सांगात.
करता. ते करू नाका तुका लोकायुक्त म्हणजे उपलोकायुक्त हाडपाक तुका कांयच हरकत ना तो कित्याक हाडिना
But
तो मेळटा
when he says that there is a method in it,
Okay.
that
मग राधा बाबा
method
मागे एक
also
गजाल
applies
सांगात.
to all the others.
ओके जितेन बाब एकच मिनिट दादा तुमकां दिसता की जो जितेन बाबांनी इशू काढलो की काँग्रेसीच्या करप्शन दाखोवन आणि तांकां वायट म्हणून हे सरकार सत्तेर आयिल्लें द फॅक्ट that there has been no concrete action against those congressmen who are involved in scams
Alleged
Or
to be
is it-
involved. Alleged to be involved.
okay is also reflecting here that non-action, no strong action is also reflecting here.
Actually, I was hoping.
Because they are involved.
Okay.
See, actually, I was hoping strong action would be taken. I would get a few cases. Unfortunately, they have not done that. They have not done that because normally, the congressmen in South.
Yes,
a lot of
all
them
those
might-
congressmen would have come to you only.
Some of them. Actually.
Yeah.
So the whole trouble is,
You are soliciting.
you have seen.
You are soliciting.
Not only
See,
a political
yeah.
pundit but legal pundit
See,
also.
what
Oh,
happens-
legal pundit also.
So
Yeah.
what happens? You take that case of Kanakona, that building collapse. Now that building collapsed. What does the government do? Government officers are arrested. The chief officer is arrested. You see, I see no link between the chief officer and collapse of a building. A building has to be approved by town planning, the PWD.
he's done the
The chief
case.
officer sits in the office and signs the plans as approved. Now you arrest our Goan employees and the builders are still not available for you. Is it not true that this builder had financed Modi's rally in Panjim? Is it not true? But the people know fully well that this builder had financed the entire Modi's
No,
rally.
this
in
builder is not come during the BJP's regime. He had started this building and built
but,
this building
but you are,
long
you are
ago.
not taking
While
action against
No,
him.
how much
Because
Congress he has
because-
funded for all these years?
Hey,
For all these years, the
He may
construction
have
had
done
been
with
taken
the
place.
BJP.
The
They have
fallen
done-
construction was also
Correct.
built in the
Okay,
Congress
okay.
regime. How much did he fund? I think only
No.
तुमको this case में he should have come to you.
No, not at all.
He should have come to you because you didn't get that case. You are making allegations.
Manohar
Since you are
Parrikar
talking about builders,
Right.
I will add a small dimension to it.
Yeah.
The contractor
Yeah.
is today major GIDC contractor.
SIDC.
GSIDC
It is not
contractor.
today. It is not today.
No, no.
Believe me.
He is a major GSIDC contractor.
तुम्ही
The
किती
same
म्हणतात क्लिअर तुम्ही म्हणतात की
How-
when it comes to corruption BJP and Congress both are same
No, no.
people only
I decline. I object.
wait I will allow you to
I take
decline
exception to
Absolutely.
this.
I will allow you to decline
Absolutely.
only faces change
Absolutely.
system remains same
I take exception.
I would say-
I take
faces change
exception.
okay
to this.
faces change system
Please,
remains
sir,
same
let me
Absolutely,
interrupt.
that
I
is
take
right.
exception to this statement.
what is the exception Congress is not an exception
No, one
to
minute.
corruption
He
No,
said
you
Congress
are
is
talking
better.
Congress
about-
was better in
One
corruption than
One
BJP.
minute. Congress, during Congress
they were
regime,
better in the sense.
BJP's corrupt leaders flourished. Let me tell you,
Ah.
in mining, in trucking business, in thieving the minor, all the BJP's people who are today, some of them are MLA, some of them are not, but they flourished. And today also,
you are saying your corruption takes care of everybody
No, no.
their corruption takes care of only BJP guys
No, it is not like that.
it's not that.
It is-
Manohar Parrikar, as a leader of the opposition, used to scream from the rooftops.
you are saying
Nobody denies. The moment his person got a particular contract, that particular opposition to that project.
Okay. Now this is
basically
my last
point is कि checks and balances have to be put in place.
And government has failed.
That is what people are saying.
Okay.
I will say that they will not be put in place. For there is also a method.
Okay, but first episode, my second episode, I was any interesting प्रश्न chief minister performance, cabinet performance. Here, भाग सोपेदान माके एकच सांगात. When it comes to corruption, only regimes change, system remains same. सारखे?
हाचे कारण ब्युरोक्रेसी कंटिन्यूच. नंबर 2 रुबीच्या बाबतीत मातशें हांव इन्फॉर्मेशन दिता.
Quickly.
That 2 officers were suspended. Now they have been reinstated. So where is the action? That is the action.
No, those officers are reinstated. And here one person says that they should have not been responsible.
The first instance.
This is what the
misguiding the people.
So
people were misguided in the whole episode.
Ground नशिल्लो so reinstate करचे पडले.
It was people were misguided. And they were, the mind was completely taken away by suspending the officers who are not responsible for it.
Exactly.
बरें हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. म्हाका करप्शनाचे सगळ्यात चड टायम दिले हातूंत भितर, पण सगळ्यात महत्वाची गजाल 5 महत्वाचे प्रश्न उरल्यात. चीफ मिनिस्टराची परफॉर्मन्स, कॅबिनेटाची परफॉर्मन्स, लीडर ऑफ ओपोजिशनाची परफॉर्मन्स, इंडिपेंडंट एमएलएची परफॉर्मन्स आणि मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट जे इश्यूंचेर आमी इतले वेळ उलयतात रिझॉल्विंग कंटेन्शियस इश्यूज. इतले 5 महत्वाचे प्रश्न जे आमी फुडले भागा भितर पळयतले. हेच पॅनल आसतले आमचे बरोबर आणि ह्या प्रश्नांचे खोलायेन चर्चा जातली. तुम्ही आयले आणि ह्या इतली 5 महत्वाची प्रश्नांची आमी भासाभास केल्या. थँक्स अ लॉट. दुसरी भागाक परत मेळया. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.